everyone, welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a really delicious chocolate brownie overnight oat recipe. So this recipe is super simple. All you need to do is throw all the ingredients into a jar and place it in the fridge overnight. So what I'm going to be using today is I've got the Happy Way chocolate vegan protein powder. I've got the Happy Way cacao powder. I'm going to be using coconut milk for this recipe, however you could use any plant-based milk of your choice. I've got some rolled oats, some chia seeds, and I've got some maple syrup. Rice malt syrup or date syrup will also work well. And I've got a little bit of vanilla extract. So all I'm going to do is simply add everything into this glass jar, shake it up, give it a really good shake, place it in the fridge overnight, and it'll be ready to go the next morning.